You go to a slum area, what do you find? Small children have protruding bellies, hair have turned red or they have decolorized, and their limbs are very thin, just like matchstick. Even the bones are not properly developed, and some of the children are forever crying. If you see children are in your neighborhood, you find them very happy, active and fully developed. Why this has happened? Then also, even if you are living in a big city, metro, you are having all the nice things, the malls, the discos, the restaurants, the PVRs. But if you go to a village or a hill station, you will find that though there are not so many facilities, but people, they look much healthier, probably because their life is stress free. So what is health? Is it only being free from diseases? Or health doesn't mean only being free from diseases, but a total balanced outlook, balanced physical, mental and social attitude. That is what is being healthy. Now the moment we think of health, what comes to our mind? First is of course the individual. What is the personal hygiene? What is the level of personal hygiene? Are you really investing in your body? God has given this great body to you, and you are its like a watchman. If you want that whatever has been given to you, the great gift, that should be well kept, then my dear, you have to maintain it, and that can only happen through personal hygiene. But then community also has a role. Even if we keep our house very clean, we keep our body very clean, but if our neighborhood is not clean, if there is garbage all around, if there is stagnant water all around, can we remain healthy? We cannot, because these are the breeding grounds of parasites, of vectors, carriers. Now these are the terms that we are going to be discussing in this chapter. So I will not tell you immediately what are these, think about it, and then we will get more into the details. For time being, remember, if we want to maintain our health, we have to be very, very careful about hygiene. Hygiene or the cleanliness is next to godliness. We cannot be healthy if we are not hygienic. So health and hygiene cannot be separated. They always go hand in hand. And hygiene means personal hygiene, domestic hygiene and the community hygiene. What is a disease? The word itself is self-explanatory. Ease means comfort. So disease is actually made up of two words, dis, without, and ease means comfort. So the moment we are without comfort or we are uncomfortable, that means we are diseased. Now what is the cause of this disease? Let us take a typical example. Say you went for a marriage or for a party, and there some food was served and you or some other child fell ill. There was food poisoning. Now one reason could be that there was some kind of contamination in the food. There could be some bacteria, there could be some fungi or some virus which has caused this situation of food poisoning. Because when the food is prepared on large scale, that much of hygiene cannot be maintained. And as a result, you must have seen that wherever there is a big gathering, whether it is due to some religious function, social function or anything, there are more chances of food poisoning.